Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. In this video with Illustrator, we're going to design a logo for a group of companies. To create a group of companies logo, first we need to create our own custom grid. To create our own custom grid, we need to click here and get the ellipse tool. By holding down Alt and Shift, I'm going to make this shape. And we need to set the fill to none, and also we need to increase the stroke size. And here we need to add the rectangle shape, so we're going to get the rectangle, and I'm going to draw this from here. Get your selection tool, and we need some copies from this. By holding Alt, then we need to hold Control D to make duplicate copies. Now I need to drag my selection for all the rectangle shapes and Control G group it, and we need to select everything and align it. Get this and align it right here. Now we're going to, from this side also needs to be aligned. Now I need to select the ellipse and we need a copy. To copy that, we need to go to the edit, and here we need to click on copy and paste in place. Now by holding down Alt and Shift, I'm going to let's zoom in. Let's see this in outline mode. To see outline mode, you have to press Ctrl Y on your keyboard. Ctrl minus to zoom out. And now we need to drag our selection so we can align. And here we need to get our shape builder tool and select a color. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to select my shapes. Let me see if I need to ungroup. By holding down the shift key, I'm going to select my shapes and put it right here. Let's remove the lines and let me put it right here. Set the stroke to 0. Align this, Control G group it, and also need to scale this. Now what we need to do, we are making this for a group of companies, so I'm going to apply, use something that it should look like a group of companies joined together. To make it look like that, we need to click on Object menu, and here we have this option which is called Repeat, and we're going to apply this radial. Here we have this radius that we need to decrease that so we can fix. Okay, perfect. Now what we need to do is that we need to click on object and click on expand. So I'm going to get my ship builder tool. So here we are going to click at each part of the shape. Let's change the color. We're going to change the color, maybe this one. You can also change the colors if you want to from here, and also you can hold the alt key if you want to remove. Now we need to ungroup. We need to ungroup everything here. Why we are doing this? Because we want to change the color. That's why we need to ungroup that and select that and group it. Now I can select these shapes by holding down the shift key. I'm going to select all the shapes. Now I'm going to group it and put it right here. We're going to select all the green shapes, Control G, group it, and put it right here. Let's align it. And also I'm going to unzoom so we can assign the colors. Let's assign group it first. Select this part, and here I'm going to apply this, or maybe this one for this greens. We need to group it again. Let's do this. Group it. So this is how we can make the group of companies logo with Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel.